everybody, welcome back to part 2 of my tie-dyeing. I have done all the tie-in, like that's what it's called, tie-dye, all the tie-in, all the knots and stones already on my first part of my video. So if you haven't watched that bit, then maybe go and watch that bit first, so you know how to do all the tie-in and the twisting and all those kind of fun bits. Right, then this bit is where we're going to dye it the colour we want. Okay, so you're going to need your sink, you're going to need some salt, you're going to need your dye. You're also going to need a spoon to measure out your salt that goes into your sink. You don't want to use your sink, then use a bowl. You can use a bowl to dye it in. Right, let's get cracking. Right, I'm here at my sink. We're going to need, I think it says 6 of these. I'm going to make sure. 6 litres. So 6 litres. So 6 of these. So you've got to use warm water. So I'm going to use too cold, too hot. Okay. It doesn't say hot water, it does say warm water, okay? I've forgotten how many I put in. I think it was 3. 4. Oh dear. Right, one more. What a nightmare I am, Anna. Right, the only thing I'm concerned about, I don't seem to have any gloves, so I recommend that if you have, then use some rubber gloves, right? And then we need 10, I think it's 10 again, yeah, 10 of these, so 10 tablespoons of salt, okay, into your mixture. Right, and then what does it say? Oh, I've got to stir in the salt, right? Stirring. Right. And then get your dye and add your dye to it. Add dye and it says add dye and stir well, okay? And then you submerge your fabric into your dye. And then hope for the best. I'll be back. I left my scissors over there. Yeah, just like a, sorry, I keep forgetting. Just like a, it looks like sherbet, but I wouldn't recommend eating it. Anyway, I'm going to put it in. Oh, it's pretty, I'll show you. My sink has gone pink. I'm just a bit worried I'm going to knock me iPad in the sink. That'd be fun. Right, then it says stir that, so I'm going to give that a stir. I say the only problem is I'm a little bit concerned about is that I have not got, cannot find my rubber gloves. I know they're here somewhere. Let's try and find them. Minute. I'm hoping that I won't end up with pink fingers. Probably will know me. Right, get your cloud material and just put them in. That's all it says. It just says submerge your material. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to submerge my material. Okay, make sure, I'm going to show you in a minute, make sure you've poked it down and you've got the colour all over your dye, all over the material on it, sorry. In your dye, okay, So make sure you submerged it properly. That one could do with being pushed down a bit more. Do that. And then we've got to leave it for, I think it's 45 minutes. Let me just read one more time. Yeah. Stir. You've got to stir it for 15 minutes and then stir regularly for 45 minutes. So it does take it is quite a long process, I should say, sorry. But it will be worth it, okay? So before we cut bands off, we have to rinse the fabric in cold water, okay? And then it says wash in warm water and dry away from the direct sun. Well, we wash it in we're going to wash it in some cold water and then cut the bands off, and then they need to be washed properly, okay? And then left to dry. Okay, you're dyeing, when you're dyeing your hair, make sure you rinse all the colour out of your material, okay? And then put it over to one side, and then we'll cut off the bands. But we need to make sure you rinse all the dye out of the material, wait till the water sort of runs clear, like you do when you're dyeing your hair, and then leave it on the side while we, you do that. Right, now we're going to undo. I'm going to start with this one. This one looks really interesting, so I'm going to undo the knotty one first, okay? And then you can, whoa, looking good. Undoing these one might be, no, it's going to be fine. As you can see, the bits you've knotted have stayed white. It's a nice pink. Where's my other arm? Okay, and then I did a big knot around the middle. Right, I'm going to show you. Oh, it's cool. Okay, that's the front. That's the back. The arms, look, I love the arms. The way that bit's dyed fully. Look. Same with the bottom. This is going to be me breast cancer one. So I'm gonna wash it and then I'm gonna let it dry. So, but it's come out lovely. The designs. This was the tie-in one, okay? Just tied it in knots. Alright? Yeah, it's come out really nice. I'm really chuffed with that. I could put that one over to one side and we'll undo the next one. Right. We'll do this one next. This is the string one. This is the one where I folded it like a fan and then tied it up. Let's see. I'm gonna undo the string. There's a bit there, and there's a bit there. Mind you don't cut your material, obviously, but you know. Alright, I'm going to undo all the string bit first and then I'll unfold it and we'll see what we've got this time. Right, that's all the string, I think. Right, this is the one that I folded, remember? Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm really chuffed with that too. Look at that. That is lovely. Really, really nice. Okay, so that's the folded like a fan, okay, and then tied up. That's that one. And then this is the one that I put the stones in. This one's a bit more tricky to undo. Just say, like, be careful you don't cut your material, because otherwise you've buggered it up. But this one's going to be a bit more of a pain to undo, so bear with. This one, I will show you when I've done them all in one go. this is the final one. This is the one that looks like flowers. This is the one I did with the pebbles. Okay. It's very cute. Alright, this is going to be my advertising one. But look, you get this kind of pattern. Okay, right, now I'm going to wash them and then they'll be alright to wear. Okay, so this is that. You can obviously, if you've got kids t-shirts that have stains on, obviously, I mean, especially if they're white, don't throw them away. Do a bit of tie-dyeing on them, recycle them. You can do, I mean, I've done 3 t-shirts to 1 bag of dye. Okay, that's cost me $3.49. So you can, I mean, as many as you can get in the sink, long as they get all covered in dye. You can probably do, as if they're kids ones, you probably could get about 5 or 6 done in one go. But I would suggest you do 1 dye at a time. If you want to do multicoloured, if you want to do a mixture of dyes, and do 1 at a time, makes it much simpler. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I will show you the one that I'm going to do as an advertisement once I have dried it, and then I will show you how I'm going to paint the advertisement thing on the front. Alright, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Give it a try, have a bit of fun. Hopefully I'll see you on the next video. Alright, thank you for watching. Thanks everybody. Please come back soon. Bye. Bye 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 bye. I've got pink hands in there, look. And hold you need gloves. Bye everybody, bye.